There you go, so we're into part 2 of the President HR-2600 10 meter mobile radio here, and we left off with what I suspect is a bad mic element. Well, the element I have is this one here. It's a little bit different than the one that's originally with this microphone, but this element does work, so we're going to swap it out and give it a try. If it works, great. If it don't, then I guess we're going to be looking at something else. But in any event, let's get her swapped out and see if we can make this radio modulate. Alrighty, so I've got actually the element wasn't the issue. This element is 600 ohms. This element works fine. And the element that's with the original microphone is 500 ohms. Now, on the last video, I tested the meter with the ohm meter in continuity mode, expecting that there would be a tone on my meter. I took for granted that it's a coil form mic element, and that I'd get continuity on it. No, it doesn't work like that. Dumbass that I am, yes. Instead of actually looking at the display on the meter, the display showed 500 ohms. So the element on the mic was actually fine. So I put the element back in the microphone again. But I still wasn't getting audio out of the thing. And what it ended up being after, the PTT switch was filthy inside. The contacts were oxidized to a point that it wouldn't allow continuity to pass from the mic plug here. I got continuity from the mic plug here to the hot side of the PTT switch, but on the switched side, the continuity wasn't passing through the switch, so the contact itself was dirty. So I ended up putting some contact cleaner into the PTT switch, and now actually I better put this on right frequency before I get a shot. Buggy crowd 28400. Radio is in modulation. I'm on upper sideband. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. And let you see it here. Test 1 2 3 4 5 5 1 2 3 4 5. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra. 1 2 3 3 2 1. Test 1 2 1 2. Test 1 2 1 2. VO1 MDS. Radio is now modulating. So here we have it. Anyways, I guess this would be a part 2. But so basically what I've done, I've cleaned the PTT switch on the radio. I've put a new DC plug on the back of it, as well as made up the new power cord for the radio. So this radio is fit to see action once again. Anyways, enjoy the video, folks. See what else we can dredge up there. Yeah, 7.3, 363. We're out of here.